Hi Foxes, and welcome back to my channel. This is Brittany from Shop Foxborough. I am also Shop Foxborough on Poshmark, Instagram, and Etsy, and today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing for you. So this has actually been sitting in my office for a couple of days now, and I'm eager to get into it. So I've just kind of looked like a hobo for the last few days, you know, just wearing sweatpants and doing remote learning with my kids. So today I did my hair and put on a little bit of makeup, and so we are going to unbox this box and see what I got. Here is the box. It's actually rather a big one, so I'm kind of excited to see what's inside, and if you are too, stick around. So I don't actually remember what I asked my stylist for this time around. I think I told her I was interested in joggers, but not super expensive ones. They had some Michael Stars ones on their shop tab that were $118, and I'm over here like, look, that is not going to happen. I'm not going to spend $118 on some joggers. Alright, my kids are yelling for me, so I'll be right back to finish opening this box. You know, you give your kids snacks and you think it's enough, and then it's never enough. Alright, so this box has not been opened. Let's see here. We've got a whole wheat burrito this time around. Very concealed. Let's see. Alright, all clothing in this one, and some definitely sweaters. Let's see here if I can show that. So that is this burrito. This is tall. Okay, let's jump right in, and I'm going to show you what I got. Alright, first things first. Ooh, is this a dress? Yeah, it is. Okay, so this is Market and Spruce, size large. This is the Granita knit dress, and I love purple, and I actually really like knit dresses in the winter. I wear them with leggings a lot, so this is cute. I'm excited to go ahead and try that on for you guys, so let's do that. So what did you think of that dress? Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you liked it or not. And next up, it looks like a top. This is by Mason & Bell. This is the Casey tassel detail top. So I love the colors on this. I'm not crazy about the pattern. This is actually more of like a magenta color. There you go. That's a little better. I'm not crazy about the pattern, so I doubt that I will keep this, but I'm going to go ahead and try it on for you guys. Let's go ahead and do that, and then don't forget to let me know what you think, and maybe I'll like it more than I expect. Next up in the box is my favorite color. It is this mustard yellow. It's just a cowl neck mustard sweater, and it's got this kind of like waffle, like Henley sort of knit to it. And this is by Market and Spruce. It is the Sharon Thumbhole Cotton Blend Pullover. Oh, that's thumb holes? Oh. Yeah, it does. Alright, so I'm going to try this on with a pair of jeans or trousers. I'm not sure which. I'm going to go raid my closet and see what matches, and let's see what we can come up with. Next up is another color that I really love, and let's see, it looks like another sweater. This is by Design Nation, Design History. Mariella button detail poncho pullover. Alright, so it's like this is actually like a rich forest green. It's not olive. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it to, I don't think I'm going to be able to get it to show you the right color, but it's got this like mixed cable detail on it. I'm not sure if I'm going to like this. It looks a little bit cropped, but I'm going to try it out. And I think I have some leggings from my last Nuuly that might go well with this. So I think I might try those two together and see how they look. Okay, and this is Gen 7 for All Mankind ankle skinny jeans. I don't like this gray wash, but of course I'm going to go ahead and try these on for you guys anyway. I really don't need any more jeans. I have quite a few pairs. These are the Bailey ankle skinny jean in gray, and they say they have a sculpting panel, so I don't know, maybe they'll make me look phenomenal. I'm probably going to try these on with one of the tops. So you've probably already seen it. I'll probably try them with that Mason and Bell top. So these are just like a regular old pair of skinny jeans in a nice gray. The inseam doesn't look too long. I'm only 5'4", so I am rather short, but yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to like these, but I'm going to go ahead and try them on for you. Okay, so last time I had a new stylist. Let us see what is going on with this one. Let's see if it's the same gal or not. This says, "Hi Brittany, how are you? I'm excited to be styling you today. I wanted to give you some of your requests, but we didn't have any jogger sweatpants or warm leggings at this time. Instead, I gave you these skinny jeans that will be a staple in your closet. Pair them with the mustard thumbhole pullover and a pair of brown booties for a great fall look." I don't think I would like that color combo together. You can even wear this pullover with black leggings and brown knee-high boots for a more comfortable look. Pop on the dark green poncho with a long sleeve tee underneath. The jeans and the brown knee-high. The dark purple striped dress reminded me of you because I know you were looking for a dress for winter. Pair it with brown or black booties for a night out on the town. I know you typically don't like stripes. Thoughts, XO, Amy. Alright, cool. So, let's see how much everything costs. So the Mason and Bell top was $42, which I think is a little bit expensive. Honestly, I would say that that brand is kind of like on par with the Knox Rose brand from Target. So I feel like if they have tops that are the same or similar for like $28, $24, I feel like $42 is kind of a lot. So yeah, the Design History poncho is $78. The Granita knit dress is $68. The thumbhole cotton sweater is $78, and the jeans are $99. If I bought all of it, it would be $365 minus the 25% discount, so it would be $273. $75, which is about on par with where I like my fixes to be. I like them to be around like $200 to $250, so it's a little bit over. But let me know what you think I should keep and what you think that I should send back. And I will wait for you guys to give me your input like I did last time and decide what to keep and what to send back. So make sure to leave your comments down below. And I hope that I will see you for my next video, which is probably going to be a Nuuly unboxing. If you have not ever seen one of my Nuuly unboxings and you like the Stitch Fix unboxings, I do recommend it because they are relatively similar. Nuuly is like a subscription service where you rent clothing that is sold at like Anthropologie, ModCloth, Free People, stuff like that. And I've just been having a lot of fun like mixing and matching and just getting stuff that I don't necessarily want to keep in my wardrobe, but I want to try it and style it. So yeah, if that sort of interests you, if you like that like fashion and try on type of stuff, then definitely check out my Nuuly videos. And that's it for today. I hope that I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!